Hi, I'm Lauren Stevens with Aegis Cycling Foundation, presented by the Meteor Collective. I'm defending my title on the new GS1 from Ventum, which allows me to get some wider clearance. I've got some 47s. They used to be called the Dries. It's the same thing, but from now on, they're the T30s. I've got the new XTR on my bike. We've got wireless XTR paired with some GRX shifters, 1051 cassette with a 46 front chainring. Got mountain bike pedals, got my Wove saddle, keep me comfortable all ride. Got my MV bars up here up front, along with my MV wheels en route. Computer mount for my Wahoo. Uni is coming along for the ride. We got my custom paint job because I am two-time gravel national champ. Got my Arundel bar tape here and my Arundel bottle cages to keep those feed bottles locked in.